Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if ChatGPT Memory is not working. So if ChatGPT Memory isn't working, so here's how to fix it. So open ChatGPT and click your profile icon. Now go to settings, then from the left side menu, select personalization. Now from here, scroll down to the bottom and make sure memory is enabled. So if it's disabled, you can toggle it on just like so. So if memory is enabled but still not working, check whether you're using a temporary chat since memory doesn't work there. You should also make sure you're signed into the correct account as saved memories are tied to your account. Now, if the problem continues, you can refresh the app. So click the refresh icon in the top left. So refresh the page, then see if it works again. You can also update ChatGPT to the latest version or sign out and sign back in. So to log out, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then just click log out and you'll be logged out of your ChatGPT account. Then just sign back in. You can refresh the page and see if it works. And that's how you can fix ChatGPT memory not working. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.